Hi, Greg Patterson again. In this video we're going to add our name and the date that we produced the map, some copyright information. We're going to save the project, which we should have done at the start, and then just a few things to tidy up. So first of all, we'll go and add our name to this map. So down the bottom here we can click on the A, we can click on the map wherever you want to put it. Again, I'll just zoom in there so you can see it. I'll add it down here. Click on that. The select element tool, we'll select on that. We'll double click on text. We'll type in produced by, and you can add your name. Put a return on there. Date produced, and we can put in today's date. Get separated if you want to. So you've got that in there. So just go apply and OK. If it's too big, we can double click. We can make it smaller. Symbology, make it down to 7. Go OK. OK. And we can just zoom back out to see what it's going to look like. That'll do. Again, I can reposition that wherever I want to put it. So I may wish to put it down here, might move the north arrow, might put it inside the map, or I might want to put it down there, wherever. You just got to work out and try and make it uniform with everything there. Okay, we can, now that we've got that, we need to add some copyright information. Now back within Geoscience Australia, now I'm just going to go to the web here, go to Geoscience. So back in Geoscience Australia's website, it says here under Map Connect, when we scroll down and I click on this link, it actually states that we should have this logo and that information on the map. Okay, so it says across here, Geoscience Australia asserts the right to be recognised as author of the original material in the following manner. So it's telling us we should be putting that on the map. So we can copy this part, copy that text there, go back to ArcMap, and we can click on the map and then go Control V. So I'll paste that in there. Now it's a little bit big, so I can just double click on that, change the symbol, and we might type in 4. That'll do. Just so it's on the map, we can put that down somewhere on the map here. The other thing it wants in there as well, if you go back to the website, wants that logo, so we'll copy that, right click on the little logo, save image as, save it into your C drive, student, or a directory where you're going, where you've been working. I'll just save it there. I'll just call it that. I'll go save, go back to ArcMap. Now I need to insert that logo, so insert picture, go back to C drive, student, into my directory. I select the logo and go OK. It's quite big, but I can actually minimize that down and then put it down on the map. So when I zoom in there, I can see I've got copyright, that information on there. Okay, so that's placed in there. Now we need to save the project, so we'll go File, Save As. Again, I'm going to put it where my data is. So back student, Greg, I'll set it here. I'm going to call it Mapping Project. Whoop. So it's an MXG file, it's just this ArcMap, so I'll save that. So now, when I save this and close down, just close it down here and open it back up again. when ArcMap opens, you'll see it's already in this window, getting started window. You can see it there. You can click there, close it down, go file open. But we can just double click on that now. Here it is. The next thing we have to make sure is we go to File, go down to Map Document Properties, and tick this button here. That way, if we move, copy the whole folder and send it to somebody, all these links will be open and you won't have any problems. So you need to ensure that you tick that. Go apply, OK, and now it's ready. So when I close that now, I'll save that. Go back to my directory, into C drive, student, Greg. I have my mapping project sitting there. I've got all my data sitting there, and I have the logo in there. As long as they're all together, because if I go back now and change any of the link or copy that and move it somewhere else, that'll have broken links in it. So we don't want that. So we try and get them all together in the one area, and just ensure you tick that box. Okay, so last thing we need to do is export that out to a map. So we'll do that in the next segment. Thank you.